What is a JavaScript array for loop? Imagine you have a list of your favorite movies and you want to see each one by one. How would you do that in JavaScript? That's where a JavaScript array for loop comes in. It helps you go through every item in a list or array step by step. Think of it like a conveyor belt that moves through each item, giving you a chance to look at or change it. A JavaScript array for loop is a way to run the same set of instructions for every element in an array. You start with a counter, usually called an index, which begins at 0. The loop then checks if this index is less than the total number of items in the array. If it is, the code inside the loop runs, usually doing something with the current item. After that, the index increases by 1 and the process repeats. This continues until the index reaches the length of the array, meaning all items have been processed. For example, if you have an array called fruits with the items apple, banana, and cherry, you can use a for loop to print each fruit on the screen. You set the index to 0, check if it's less than the number of fruits, then print the fruit at that position. After printing, you add 1 to the index and repeat. This way, the loop will print apple, then banana, then cherry in order. Using a for loop with arrays gives you full control. You can access each element directly by its index, change elements as you go, or even stop the loop early if needed. It's especially useful when you need to know the position of each item or do something specific at certain points. Compared to other methods like for, of, or for each, the traditional for loop is more flexible. It lets you decide exactly how many times to run and when to stop. This makes it perfect for situations where you need to skip some items or process only part of the array. Mastering a JavaScript array for loop is a key skill for working with data in web development. It helps you handle lists of information efficiently and gives you the ability to customize how you go through your data. Whether you want to display items, modify them, or perform calculations, the for loop is your go-to tool for array iteration. It's simple, powerful, and an essential part of controlling flow in JavaScript.